In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the disk write error on Steam quickly and efficiently. This error can be frustrating, especially when you're eager to dive into a new game, but don't worry, I have a straightforward process to help you resolve it in just a few minutes. First things first, let's exit from Steam completely. This step is crucial because sometimes running processes can interfere with troubleshooting. Make sure all Steam related tasks are closed before proceeding. Once that's done, let's find the Steam application on your computer. You can do this by heading to your start menu or using the search function in your operating system. It's usually enough to type in Steam to locate the app quickly. Next, let's right click on the Steam icon and select Run as Administrator. This action gives Steam the necessary permissions to make changes that may be needed to rectify the error. Often, simply running Steam as an administrator can resolve permission-related issues that could be causing the disk write error. If this initial approach doesn't solve the problem, don't fret. Next, open your Steam library. Here, identify the specific game that's causing the error. Right-click on the game and select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings for managing the game. In the Properties window, navigate to the Installed Files tab. Here you'll see an option to verify integrity of game files. Click on this option. This process checks for any missing or corrupted files and prompts Steam to re-download them if necessary. It's a reliable way to ensure your game files are intact and not contributing to the error. Now, if verifying the game files still leaves you facing the error, let's move on to another potential fix. Open your Steam settings by clicking on Steam in the upper left corner of the client, selecting Settings, and then navigating to Downloads. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Clear Download Cache. By clicking this, you're essentially giving Steam a fresh slate for future downloads, which can often clear up issues related to connectivity and caching that may be causing the error. Lastly, if all else fails and the disk write error persists, it might be time for a more drastic measure. Consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Steam itself. Occasionally, problems can arise from deep within the software that a simple reinstall can rectify. Remember though to back up any important data before proceeding with this step. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to fixing the disk write error in Steam. By following these steps, you should be able to get back to your gaming adventures in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.